Hi, this is Evan from Digital Team Coach. I've spoken to a lot of people who are church leaders and in faith organisations, and the great news is in the last few months, as we've gone into lockdown and isolation, that we've pivoted really quickly and well with our online communication. So well done to you. And Facebook really has been such a major platform and important tool to use to be able to reach our followers, our supporters, our members. And Facebook really is the dominant platform because 16 million Australians use Facebook regularly each month. So we can't shy away from Facebook, whether you like it or not. We've done that really well organically, and as I've been speaking to some of you, a number of us are also looking at how we can utilize Facebook advertising to extend our reach even further. So I'm going to be running a workshop soon on how to reach your community effectively with Facebook advertising. And I'm bringing in a friend of mine, Nigel Preston, who's from Chatterbox Marketing, to be able to share on how we can use Facebook ads, how to use it effectively to reach local community, so geographically, and across Australia as well. Nigel is a friend of mine. I've been to church with Nigel for several years, and so he really understands our context, and he's got a heart for mission and for church. So if you're looking at using Facebook for paid advertising, then I encourage you to come along to this workshop soon. Register below, and Nigel and I look forward to seeing you there.